Good evening, Shreya.
Good evening, sir.
I will wait for 10 more minutes. Actually, I told the session was today by 5:15, but I was completed my meeting and joined immediately.
Okay, sir.
We'll wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
Last session, how many numericals we done? Any idea? We done up to 21, 22 we done. I think 23 also we done. Am I right? Nitish, Sai, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, Hamsini.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
The last class you only asked now, like how to do the proof questions. Someone asked like how to do the proof questions if they ask in MCQs, sir. Hamsini, you? Who asked?
Sir, I guess I only asked, sir.
Are you having any questions? 2, 3 questions like that? I
Sir,
think
no, from the textbook itself, I asked, sir.
so. I already done a few questions in last class. I think last class you are there.
Last class, I didn't come, sir. We had exams, so I was revising.
Yeah, just go through video one more time. But still, I think who attended the last session, guys? Sai Raghav, Hamsini, Nitin, Nitish.
Didn't attend. Had exams.
Sir, Raghav came, I guess, sir.
He is saying he didn't attend now. Raghav.
The other Raghav, sir.
K. Raghav. I done up to question number 23. I'm very sure. Any questions, Hamsini? Go through the textbook and look into the question number 23. Any questions need to revise again, like some kind of proof questions.
Okay, sir, I'll look into it.
Yeah. Done up to 23. Go through up to 23. Any questions I have to revise? There is a scope of asking 20, 21, 22 only, like whatever the type of questions you are expecting for. Correct? Am I right, Hamza? Yeah, just we'll wait for 2 more minutes and we'll start the session. Meanwhile, Hamsini or any others, just I done up to question number 23 in last session. It's not meaning I won't explain, but you just go through like this is the scope where I can discuss in 2 methods. If it is asked for MCQ, how to do in an easy manner. If it is asked for descriptive method, how to do. Descriptive method means where you have to explain the solution, proof. Sometimes I will take one question and I will explain you, then we will get one clarity. Just hold for 1 or 2 minutes. Good evening, everyone. Shall we start the session? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm taking the question number 20. I'm explaining in two different ways how an examiner can ask this question in a different ways. If it is MCQ, how to do? And if it is a general theoretical question, how to do? First of all, Hamsini, can you explain the question what is given? What they are asking us to prove? Madam?
Sir. Sir, two sequences are given, sir.
What is the first sequence?
A R A square till
A R square and so on. A R power n minus
1
to n terms they gave.
And second sequence they have given capital A R square till capital A R power n minus 1.
So here your initial term is, first term is A, common ratio is smaller. First term is capital A, common ratio is capital R. Correct? So this is your first term. This is your second term. This is your third term. And this is your nth term. He is asking the product of the corresponding terms. The product of first terms is AA. The product of the second terms is AA, small r, capital R. Third term product is AA, small r square, capital R square. And so on. A, small r power n minus 1, capital R power n minus 1. And this is also forming a new series. This is your first series given, second series is given, and third series formed after applying this condition. He's asking this series is in which? Prove this is in GP. Correct? How to prove? What is the condition for GP? Common ratio should be.
Sir, we can consider small a multiplied by capital A as A dash.
That doesn't require. So here, this is a new series. And I am taking this is a first term of the new series, second term of the new series, third term of the new series, and so on. So common ratio is, I'm checking whether it is common ratio same or not. Second term by first term is equal to A, small r, capital R divided by AA. So the answer is, check one more term if you want. Third term by second term. What I'm getting? Third term is what? AA, R square, capital R square divided by AA, small r, capital R. So one R cancel, one capital R cancel. The answer is small r into capital R. So I'm not satisfied. I'm checking with one more also. Fourth term divided by third one. What is the fourth one will come? A, small r cube, capital R cube divided by AA, small r square, capital R square. See, even if I'm checking with nth term to the n minus 1th term, nth term, no need to explain, 1 or 2 is enough. N minus 1th term. Nth term is minimum 2 you have to prove, students, minimum 2. Nth term is how much? A, R power n minus 1, capital R power n minus 1 divided by A, R power n minus 2, capital R power n minus 2. This will be small r power n minus 1 minus n plus 2, capital R n minus 1 minus n plus 2. If the denominator is moved to upwards, I'm using exponent formulas. So this is n cancel minus 1. So plus 1 is remaining, capital R also plus 1 remaining. Even here also I'm getting the common ratio is R into R. Hence the common ratio is same. The series formed by the product of the corresponding terms of two given series is in GP series. Is it clear, madam, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Same question, what is the scope for MCQ? What is the scope for MCQ? Same question. I can ask the same question like this. P, Q, R, S, and so on are in GP, and A, B, C, D, and so on are also in GP. With the initial term A, common difference small r, with initial term A and common difference is capital R, for example. And the series formed by, or you can ask like this also. P, A, Q, B, R, C, and so on up to n terms is the series formed by product of the corresponding terms of the series S. Product of the corresponding terms of the series. Then the series is 1 GP, 2 HP, 3 AP, or HP is not part of the syllabus. This is AP, and GP, none of the above. How to do? It's very simple. Hamsini, can you give any one series which is in GP of your own numbers?
Own numbers, sir.
2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Correct?
Yes.
I'm taking one more series. Take simple numbers. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and so on. Correct? This is like your PQRS, where P is equal to 2, your capital A is equal to 2, capital R is equal to 2. Here, small a is equal to 3, small r is equal to 2. Now what I'm doing is I'm forming a new series by taking the product of the corresponding terms. 6, 24, 8 into 12, 96, 16 into 24. How much? 16 into 24, madam? 24 into 16.
384.
384. Check whether it is in AP. No. Why it is not in AP? 24 minus 6 is not equal to 96 minus 24 minus 6 is 18. 96 minus 24 is how much? 72. So it is not in AP. Only the option is GP. Then you can mark GP without checking also. Maximum none of the above will come. How I can check whether it is GP or not? What is the 24 by 6 value? 4 times. 96 by 24, 24 4 times. 384 by 96, 4 90s, 360, 4 6s, 24. So 384. This is also 4. Simple. Is it clear, ma'am, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
You can take very simple series. Don't take very complicated series. Even you can take fractional series also. You can start from 16, 8, 4, 2 like that, or you can take a 3 by 2, 3 by 4 or decreasing series. It's your wish how you are taking. One series you can take like this, and one series you can take in alternate way to make it very simple. Same question you can take like this: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And another one is 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Even this also, if I'm adding, multiplying, my first term is 4, second term is 4, third term is 4, fourth term is 4, fifth term is also 4. So this is, I can say it is AP and GP, both. But whether it is valid. Why it is coming AP and GP? Because here also, here, what is my common ratio? 2. Here my common ratio is 1/2. That's the reason you are getting this kind of confusion. That's the reason when you are choosing the series is careful. The common ratio should not be contain same kind of numbers. If I'm taking common ratio is here, please start your initial number with some other number, might be 3, might be 4 or something. Don't start with 0, because you will get both AP and GP. This is a AP. This might be AP and as well as GP also. Both are possible here. But always GP is possible. Always AP is not possible. So keep it in mind when you're choosing the series. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? How to take the series is also deal here. Now, shall I move to the next question, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these 3 questions, we'll see. How we'll do the 21st question. Find 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than first term by 9. Find the second term is greater than fourth term by 18. How will do this question? It's a simple straight question, correct? He's saying find the 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than first term by 9. I can say like this. The third term is greater than first term by 9. So A1 plus 9 is A3. This is my first condition given. Second term is greater than fourth term. A2 is A4 plus 18. This is my second condition. Consider your first term is A and common ratio is R. Substitute the values and find out the A comma R value. You are having 2 conditions and 2 unknowns. Please, students. A3 is how much? AR square is equal to A plus 9. This is my first one. AR will be equal to AR cube plus 18. This is my second condition. How you will deal this question? Is it clear, students, what I'm saying? How to solve this ratio? How to solve A comma R value here? See here, if I'm taking A this side, A into R square minus 1 is equal to 9. From here, if I'm taking R cube that side, AR minus AR cube, sorry, I'm taking 18 this side. Minus 18 will be equal to AR cube minus AR. This can be written as minus 18 is equal to AR if I'm taking common R square minus 1. So what is the value of A into R square minus 1? What is the value of A into minus 18 into A into R square minus 1 into R? How much you are getting? A into R square minus 1 is equal to 9. So minus 18 is equal to 9 into R. So R is equal to minus 2. If R is equal to minus 2, then it will be easy to solve my A value. Substitute anywhere, either first equation or second equation. So I am substituting here my R value. A into minus 2 whole square is equal to A plus 9. So this will be 4A is equal to A plus 9. From here 3A is equal to 9. So A is equal to 3. Where A is equal to 3 and the R is equal to minus 2, 3 comma minus 6 comma plus 12 comma minus 24 plus 48. This is my series. He's asking first 4 terms. Now if I'm applying the condition A3, 12 is 3 plus 9. A1, see this A3 is A1 plus 9. A2 is how much? Minus 6 is equal to A4. A4 is minus 24 plus 18. So minus 6 is equal to minus 6. So this is verification. In case of MCQ, Anyone can give. This method I will follow. I will take each option and I will check instead of doing this process. If it is MCQ, they will give 4 different series in options. Might be 3 series and the last option is none of the above. So what I will do is I will take option A. I will apply the conditions. I will take option A. If the option A is this series, A3 is equal to A1 plus 9. So 12 is equal to 3 plus 9 or not. The options might be, possible options are like this. 3 minus 6 plus 12 minus 24. Minus 3, 6 minus 12 plus 24. And some other series which is a little bit related to this and none of the above. So here, if I am applying the condition for the second series, it won't work. A3 should be equal to A1 plus 9. So minus 12 is equal to minus 3 plus 9. Minus 12 is coming as minus plus 6 here. It is wrong. So verification, if it is like find out the process MCQs is actually very easy. If you do go for verification method, each and every option I'm taking and I'm just applying the condition given in the question. It will take hardly 30 to 40 seconds if you're having a little bit fast calculation skills. Or it will take some maximum 50 seconds because it is general addition and subtraction only. So A3 is equal to A1 plus 9. A3 is 12. A1 is 3. So 3 plus 9 is 12. A3 is also 12. Yes, first condition is satisfied. Second condition. A2 is A4 plus 18. A2 is minus 6. A4 is minus 24 plus 18. Minus 24 plus 18 is minus 4 is here and 2 is there. So minus 6. So minus 6 is equal to A2 only. So both the conditions are satisfying. Blindly you can mark this answer. Check whether sometimes they will give A, B, both A and B and none of the above. But actually they made a rule. You should not give none of the above option. I don't know whether it is there in CBSE or not. I have to check. They are planning to put none of the above is not correct way of assessing a student. That one kind of discussion is going between the teachers. I don't know whether the rule was came or not. Still it is going in discussion. Yeah, Hamsini, is it clear? Guys, not only Hamsini, students, everyone.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
In case of MCQs, how to approach is a little different because your time limit for a MCQ is 40 seconds. Possible you can able to finish within 15 to 60 seconds, 16 seconds or 20 seconds. Rest of the time you can utilize for solving little bit tougher questions. Suppose if I'm saving some time, some 20 seconds in 10 questions, you will get a time of something around 3 to 4 minutes. These 3 to 4 minutes where we can spend some kinds of hard questions, some tough questions. There you can spend this time. So you should not stick to each question. I have to spend only this much of time. There is a possibility you can finish it off some questions within a fraction of seconds. So that kind of skill is required for MCQs. I'm not making you scared, but I'm just trying to improve what skill you want. Is it clear, students, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So same way, how to do the 22nd question? 22nd question I already explained. If it is MCQ, the option is like, they won't give this option. Same question, -1, 0, +1, plus or minus 1. How you will do? How you will do? If it is MCQ, how you will do? Guys, Raghav, I gave this
23rd, right?
Yeah, 22nd, man. 22nd. If it is MCQ, I didn't give. See, the proof is what actually they gave something and they're asking us to prove this much. If it is MCQ, this is not given. What is this expression value? Whether it is -1 or whether it is 0, whether it is +1 or whether it is plus or minus 1. Hope you are clear, Hamsini. Because MCQs completely strategy. I can't give, you have to follow this method or you have to follow that method and all. I can't give always. But there will be some common strategy for that particular topic. In case of here, I'm going to take some series and I'm going to do. How will do this case? Yeah, again, don't think too much. Same strategy I'm using here. Amchani, can you give any one series of your own? A simple series. Madam, are you there?
Sir, the same which we took for the last paper. Sir.
I can take 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Your A is 2, R is 2, correct?
Yes.
Now, what I'm doing is here, I'm finding the A3 is how much? 2 into 2 power 2, correct? This is pth term, which is equal to A. Your qth term is, that means your P is 3 here, your A is this value. Qth term is I'm taking A5. It's your wish. You can take A3, A4, A5 also. You can take A3, 10, 20 also. It doesn't matter. I'm taking A5. What I will get if I'm taking A5? Instead of taking series, I'm taking randomly because sometimes series for all values, it won't work. It will be 2 into 2 power 4, which is equal to B value. Your Q is 5 here. Will you agree with me? I'm taking A8. Qth, this is rth term. A8 is how much? 2 into 2 power 7. This is equal to your C value. So what he's asking is A power Q minus what? So your P is equal to 3, your Q is equal to 5, your R is equal to 8, and your A is equal to 2 into 2 power 2, your B is equal to 2 into 2 power 4, your C is equal to 2 into 2 power 7. He's asking A power Q minus R. 2 into 2 power 2 whole power Q minus R is 5 minus 8 into B 2 into 2 power 4 whole power how much? R minus P 8 minus 3 into 2 into 2 power 7 C power P minus Q 3 minus 5. Check how much you are getting. Now it is easy to calculate. This is 2 cube. 2 cube whole power minus 3, 2 power 5 whole power 5, and 2 power 8 whole power minus 3. How much you are getting? This is 2 power minus 9. This is 2 power 25. And this is 2 power minus 24. It should come 0 actually. Where we are missing, check. A power Q minus.
Sir, it's minus 2, right? The third one, 3 minus 5.
3 minus 5. Yeah, minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 16. This will be 2 power minus 25 into 2 power 25. So answer is 2 power 0, 1. So 1 is my option. Why I am taking different numbers? Why I can't take A3, A4, A5? Might be if I'm taking continuous numbers with smaller series, sometimes it won't work for a different. So that's the reason I'm taking a different series. 98% accuracy. I'm saying 100%. You have to think over the question where if a question comes, I will tell you where here we can't apply that strategy. Compulsory, you have to go and solve. But in sequence and series, permutation, not permutations, combinations, sequence and series, mathematical induction, trigonometry, there are many topics where we can do like this. Madam, clear? How to approach the MCQs in easiest way? But this kind of process you don't apply in your descriptive examination. You won't get even 1 mark also. This is only for MCQs, multiple choice questions. Just you have to mark the answer. What method you applied doesn't matter. They are testing your analytical skills conceptually. Without concept, you can't do this one. It is not possible to think these procedures without concepts. We need quite concepts as well as analytical skills here. Yeah, the same method, anyone can try of your own methods. You can choose, because here around 11 people are, including me 11. So 10 students are here. You take that question and try your own method if it is an MCQ. Suppose I am not given this option. I gave like this, AB whole power n, AB whole power minus n, AB and AB whole power minus 1. These are my options. This is A, this is B, this is option C, this is option D. Hope you are clear what I done. What is the value of P square? I just gave like this, and what is the value of P square is equal to what? Option A, AB power n, option B, AB power minus n, option C, AB power plus 1, option D, AB power minus 1. Please. Guys, expecting some response from you, whether it is right or wrong, or I need your ideas, how you are thinking. Navya, Nitish, Hamsini, anything?
So we can take the n term as any number, any value.
Yeah, it's your wish. Nth term of a GP are A and B. If the first and nth term of a GP is A and B. Suppose you take a series where your first term is 1 and common ratio is some 2. What will you get? What is your nth term? You are having all the formulas. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here is required. Actually, you can do directly. Your A is A, An is B, which is equal to A into A power R minus 1. He is asking product of n terms. What is the product of n terms formula? Product of n terms formula is how much? What is the product of n terms formula? Hamsini. Product of n terms formula. What is the product of n terms? Students, please respond. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is product of n terms. Am I right? Sorry, sum of the n terms. This is sum of the n terms.
Yes, sir.
This is sum of the n terms. He's saying product of the n terms. What is meant by product of the n terms? A into AR into AR square into and so on AR power n minus 1. Correct? So this will be A how many times? N times. So A power n into R how many times? R power, see here is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n minus 1. This is an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 1, where the first number is 1 and last number is n minus 1. So how to add this series? A power n into R power, what is the sum of this series? How much you will get? What is that sum? Students, What is this sum? This is only your P. How much will you get?
Sir, n into n minus 1 by 2.
N into n minus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
N into n minus 1 by 2. If I'm taking square, how much I will get? If I'm taking square, P square will be equal to how much? A power 2n into r power n into n minus 1. Now look into the options. AB whole power n. What is the meaning of AB whole power n? A into a power r minus 1 whole power n. AB whole power minus n. Which option is coming? This is AB whole power n. AB whole power minus n. AB power minus 1. This is your P square. How we will prove if it is P square means? Sorry, AB means A into this is A into a power r minus 1. So this is a power n minus 1 whole power n. This is a square into a power n minus 1. So whole power n. So a power 2n into a power n into n minus 1. So first option is the right option. In case you are not happy, how I can do with MCQs? Sorry, procedure and all. It is not possible to do this much. I have to finish it off within a few seconds. Harita, what is the method? Take a series. What series you are taking? Madam, you there? Amsini, can you? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I'm taking only 5. I'm taking only 5. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 32, where N is equal to 5. So he's asking 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 into 32 whole square should be equal to 2 into 32 whole power 5 or 2 into 32 or 2 into 32 whole power minus 5 or 2 into 32 whole power minus 1. Which is the right option here? Obviously, it will be here, but actually they won't give like this. They will give like this 6 plus 7 plus 8 or 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to solve it. This is 2 power 2, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 whole square. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So 2 power 30 is coming. So here also check whether you are getting 2 power 30 or not. Is it 2 power 30? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 15, 15 into 2, 2 power 30. So which option is giving 2 power 30? That is the right option. 2 into 32 whole power 5. So 2 power 1 into 2 power 5 whole power 5. So 2 power 6 whole power 5. So this is 2 power 30. If I'm taking 2 into 32 whole power 4, it's giving 2 power 24. So wherever I am getting 2 power 30, that is the right option. Students, it's clear or anything too much I'm confusing? So each and every question you are taking the same series and explaining. Anyone having any kind of feeling that one? Students, please respond. Guys. Students, please.
No, sir.
Yeah. So show that the ratio of the sum of first n terms of a GP to the sum of the terms of n plus 1th term to 2n plus 1 to nth term is 1 by Rn. Instead of taking, suppose if I'm taking 100 terms, the ratio of the sum of 1 to 52, 52, 51 to 100. That is what he is asking. Am I right? S50 by S51 to 100. S51 to 100 means what? S50 by S100 minus S50. This ratio he is asking us to prove as 1 by R power n. Or you can take 4 terms. You can take only 4 terms. A1, A2, A3, A4. Sum of the 2 terms by sum of the 4 terms minus sum of the 2 terms is 1 by R power n. He's asking us to show like this. The options are R power n minus 1, R power n plus 1, 1 by R power n plus 2. Might be this kind of options we may get. Same. S2 means if I'm taking 2, 4, 8, 16. S2 is 4 plus 2 divided by these 2 terms sum. Because 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 is 8 plus 16 only. This is 6 by 8 plus 16 is how much? 24. 2 4 times 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is known as 2 power 2 square. 2 square. 1 by 2 square. What is option he is asking us to prove here? He's asking us to prove is 1 by R power n. What is n here? Your n is, he is saying 0 to n and up to 2n. Your 2n is 4 here. So n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. 0 to n terms sum and n plus 1 terms to 2nth term. It's 1 by 2 power n. So the same question how I can do? He's asking us to prove S n divided by S2n minus Sn will be equal to 1 by R power n. My first term is A, common ratio is R. So my Sn is equal to how much, students? What is Sn value? If it is theoretically how to do this question. Sn is how much? What is Sn value? A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. S2n will be equal to A into R power 2n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. I have to take the ratio of 0 to n terms sum and n plus 1 term to 2n terms. That means 0 to 2n sum minus 0 to n. That will use the n plus 1 to 2n sum. Suppose if I am asking what is the sum of the terms 6th to 10th. 6th to 10th if I am asking, I can do like this. S10 minus S5 will give sum of n terms, sorry, sum of 6th term to 10th term. So if I am taking this ratio, so how I have to take the ratio? I have to take Sn by S2n minus Sn. This S2n minus Sn is nothing but n plus 1 to 2n sum. Sn is how much? A R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 divided by A R power 2n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. R minus 1, R minus cancel, A cancel. So I'm getting R power n minus 1 by R power 2n minus 1. How I can prove this is equal to R power n? How I can prove this is equal to R power n? Students, is it clear what I'm asking you? How we can do this question? Sorry guys, here it is there, still is there. This is not Sn also, I have to subtract here. I'm very sorry. Sn also I have to subtract here. a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 divided by a into r power 2n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. R minus 1, a will be cancelled. Finally, I am getting an expression of r power n minus 1 by r power 2n minus 1 minus r power n minus 1. So how to solve this expression? Simplest form of this expression, how to solve using your algebra skills? Students, please. Anyone? If I'm having a cube minus 1 by a power 6 minus 1 into a cube minus 1 minus, how you will do this question?
Sir, it's a to the power 6 minus a cube. So if we take a cube common, it's a to the power 3 minus 1.
Sorry?
Sir, in like RHS, if we take like 1 and 1 gets cancelled, so it's r to the power 2n minus r.
Yeah, correct. That is one method.
So it will get cancelled. So it will
minus r power n. If I am taking r power n common, r power n minus 1. So r power n minus 1 and so 1 by r power n. Or take the 4 terms. a1, a2, a3, a4. This is n terms. This is 2n terms. Or you can take 6 terms and you can do that one. Your 2n is 4 here. So your answer should be r square is there. Like that also you can prove if it is MCQ. If it is general descriptive question means you can try like this. Hope you are clear how to approach. Is it clear, students? How to approach the questions in easiest way? It is, don't think MCQs of this chapter for mains level. Up to mains level, it is not like your board level. Board point of view, it won't be tough like board. You can able to do easily if you do more practice in a different way. Is it clear, students, what I'm saying? Hamsini, are you clear how to approach this kind of numericals today?
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi, Raghav, about you, Sarvesh?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
So we'll meet in the next class. We'll try to complete the rest of the topic also in next class. And we'll, after this, what chapter we can start? Students, somebody told straight lines.
Yes, sir.
Straight lines.
We'll go straight lines.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we'll meet in the next class. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.